How you doing, everyone? Precision Pro Auto Detailing in Hamburg, New York. So while waxes and paint sealants are the most common products when it comes to enhancing your car's shine and providing a protective layer, there are better solutions. So let's explore the 5 reasons why waxes and sealants might be the wrong choice for you when it comes to protecting and maintaining your vehicle. Both have limited durability. Depending on your climate, a wax may only last a few weeks to just a few days. Sealants, on the other hand, can last up to 3 to 6 months, again, depending on your conditions and the climate that you're in and what they're being exposed to. They only offer a temporary protective layer, so you have to reapply these products multiple times during the course of the year. So just like any product that you're going to put on your vehicle to help protect and maintain it, waxes and sealants require proper surface preparation, making them a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. Waxes and sealants don't protect against scratches and swirl marks. Now, waxes can kind of hide those imperfections, but they don't offer any type of protection or prevention when it comes to minor scratches and swirl marks. Bird droppings, bug guts, tree sap, they're all acidic and they can penetrate a wax and sealant, causing damage to your car's paint surface. We've all spilled a little gas on our cars. Some of us have had water spots on them. Waxes and sealants have no chemical resistance, so they can easily be compromised by gasoline, harsh cleaning chemicals, or acid rain. While waxes and paint sealants are great for adding a temporary shine to your vehicle, there are better solutions out there. Products that will give you ease of maintenance, chemical resistance, prevention from the environment, and a more durable, long-lasting solution to help you protect and maintain your vehicle. Thanks for watching.